One of the biggest advantages of ImagePrint R.E.D is the multi-page PDF workflow. So in this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate why this is one of the most efficient options for this type of work. I'm going to start by changing the settings in my driver so that I have a 36-inch by 24-inch spread. And I'm also going to be printing these documents so that I'm letting the printer do all of my trimming for me, so that I'm left with a perfect 24 by 36-inch printed sheet. So right now, I'm just selecting the border list for my setting. I'm going to go over to the Advanced tab and select Double Cut for top and bottom trimming. And then after I've got these selected, I'm going to choose my 36-inch by 24-inch custom size that I learned how to set up in tutorial number 2. I'm also choosing Roll Paper Borderless to make the poster border-free on all 4 sides. So now once I have my 36-inch by 24-inch spread live on my layout, I'm going to go into my ImagePrint Layout drop-down button, and I'm going to choose Auto Flow, as well as Fit Oversized Images. Auto Flow creates new pages for newly imported images, and Fit Oversized automatically resizes the images to fit the spread. So now when I open up my multi-page PDF by double-clicking on it, I can take images and double-click them or drag and drop them to add them, and you'll see that it resizes to fit them to the spread. It also adds new spreads as I add new images. You can put in a page number at the top. Let's just say if the customer says I only want a copy of page number 10 in the PDF. I'm going to type in 10, hit enter, and it pulls it up in the center of my PDF opener. If you're looking to print every page on the PDF, start by clicking page 1 and then hold down Shift and click the last page of the PDF. This will highlight all the pages and then just drag and drop them into the spread area. I'm now going to take you through printing multiple pages of the same spread, which will help you if you have a customer that comes in and says, I need 50 copies of this one image. Start by having a single image you wish to print multiple times on your spread. Once your settings are correct, before you hit the print icon, there's another icon on the upper right-hand side that opens up the spool face. The spool face is ImagePrint's print queue system. What we're going to do is pause the print queue to hold the job in place in order to edit the number of copies we want to send. Once the queue is paused, send the spread over by hitting print. Highlight the job and then drag it into the bottom of the queue. To open it up, double-click on it and change the number of copies to the number you need. Hit OK. Once the copies have been changed, drag the job back up into the print queue and unpause the print queue to begin printing.